Riley Pathfinder, the last true Riley. The Riley Pathfinder was a British luxury saloon produced by Riley Motors between 1953 and 1957. Introduced at the London Motor Show in 1953, it replaced the earlier Riley RMF and became the flagship model of the Riley range. Many enthusiasts regard the Pathfinder as the last genuinely independent Riley design before the brand became increasingly integrated into the newly formed British Motor Corporation. The Pathfinder was conceived as the Riley RMH shortly before the 1952 merger of the Nuffield Organization and Austin, which created BMC. Designed under the direction of automotive engineer Gerald Palmer, the car combined traditional Riley engineering with more modern styling and suspension technology. Unlike many later Riley models that shared components with other BMC vehicles, the Pathfinder retained distinctive Riley mechanical features, leading historians and collectors to describe it as the last real Riley. At the heart of the Pathfinder was Riley's famous 2.5-litre Big 4 engine, a twin-cam straight-four producing approximately 110 horsepower. Power was transmitted to the rear wheels through a 4-speed manual gearbox, with overdrive becoming available from 1956. A 3-speed automatic transmission was also offered during the final years of production. Key specifications: production 1953 to 1957. Body style 4-door saloon. Engine 2.443-litre twin-cam inline-4. Power output 110 horsepower. Transmission 4-speed manual, optional overdrive. Drive layout rear-wheel drive. Wheelbase 2,883 mm. Top speed about 160 km per hour. A road test by the Motor Magazine in 1955 recorded a top speed of 99.5 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 16.8 seconds, respectable figures for a large British saloon of the era. The Pathfinder featured a spacious cabin trimmed with leather upholstery, a standard heater, and a choice of individual front seats or a full-width bench seat. Its styling reflected the conservative elegance typical of British executive cars in the 1950s, with a prominent grille and flowing fenders. The chassis incorporated independent front suspension with torsion bars, coil-sprung rear suspension on early cars, large Girling drum brakes with vacuum servo assistance, separate steel chassis construction. The Ditchfinder nickname. Early Pathfinders developed an unfortunate reputation due to failures of the rear suspension's panhard rod under hard cornering. In some cases, the component could break, affecting handling and earning the model the unflattering nickname Ditchfinder. Later production cars received modifications, and the final examples adopted a simpler leaf spring rear suspension. A total of 5,536 Pathfinders were built between 1953 and 1957. The model was replaced by the Riley 2.6, which shared much more of its engineering with the Wolseley 690 and marked the end of Riley's independent engineering tradition. Today, the Pathfinder is prized by classic car enthusiasts for its distinctive styling, powerful twin-cam engine, and historical significance. Although never produced in large numbers, it remains one of the most important models in Riley's history and a symbol of Britain's post-war automotive industry. Brought to you by News Desk from Riley EduTech. Thanks for viewing our presentation. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more informative videos.